A massive hawk dived straight at the farmyard, aiming to snatch a baby chick. The mother hen didn't run to the coop for safety. Instead, she puffed up her feathers to look huge and jumped right into the air to meet the predator claws first. She took a brutal strike to her back, and feathers flew everywhere, but she didn't back down. She landed hard and immediately spread her wings over her babies, screaming at the sky to warn the attacker away. She acted as a living shield against the aerial attack. But despite fighting a monster twice her size, she didn't get even a single like and subscribe.